Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, we're going to take a look at the third installment in Dave Canterbury's Bushcraft books. As you can see, this one is Bushcraft, Field Guide Trapping, Gathering, and Cooking in the Wild. Stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to get into this book. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying with us. Now we're going to try to leave a little card somewhere right up here to all of our book reviews. That way you can take a look at the other two that we have reviewed by Dave Canterbury. Now what I like is, just like the other ones, it's done in an old style book format. It's not like really paperback or hardback, it's that kind of weird in between. It's got a manufacturer suggested price of $16.99. Now, what we love about Dave Canterbury, talk about knowledge from the past. He really likes to go into old ways and bring them here to the present. That way we do not forget about them. But let's take a look at his book. Now, I love this just like the other ones. Okay. You know, little table of contents, like packed in food, deciding what to bring, foods require minimal processing. You know, this kind of fun stuff that he takes a look at. And he gives you ideas on, and he just from his own personal knowledge. As you can see, it's only about 254 pages. But, you know, the part that I really like is in other books, you're going to see really, like this one. I've had pine needle tea. God, it's awesome. Seriously, it really is. There we go. Now, this is what I was talking about. In other books, you should see, like, blueprint-style drawings and diagrams and whatnot. These are kind of hand-drawn. You know, I like how simplistic they look and how easy they are to do. He breaks it down to a very simple level. That way it makes it easy for everyone to take a look at. You know, like little recipes for the trail. These books are awesome. You know, I remember having something like that when I was in Boy Scouts going camping. That way, you know, basically all your kitchen stuff was stored in here. But I mean, stuff like from picking the right firewood, and that's what I like. Rules for wood burning. You know, this one, I did like that, like the little edible plants. You know, he's got color pictures in here to help you spot them. Not to mention, stuff to avoid. You know, he breaks down, like, fundamentals for hunting and trapping. And I gotta tell you, if you're looking at hunting and trapping, please learn your ecosystem that's nearby you and get fully licensed on what you're about to use. That way you're not gonna screw up anything while you're out there trying to find a pelt or trying to find meat. But, I mean, it's a good read. It's a solid read, pretty easy. You know, like I said, only about 250 pages long. You know, it fits in beautifully with the other ones in the series that we've already taken a look at. It just builds on the knowledge that he's given you. It just builds and builds and builds, and it's making you, I don't want to say more of a complete woodsman, because you don't become an expert by just reading books. You need to get out there. You need to do these things. You need to practice your skills. You need to actually experience things. You need to fail. You need to succeed. But knowledge is power, and stuff like this gives you a good basis to feel better about yourself when you go into the woods. But there's a look at it, guys. Now, you should be seeing a symbol popping up over here like usual. That's going to be our company logo. If you are not subscribed to us, please click on that logo. That will take you right to subscribing, and click on the little bell icon that's right next to it. That way you will be notified every single time we upload a brand new video. You're also going to see some new videos popping up over here. You should see 2 of them that YouTube is going to select from our catalog that they think are going to be perfect for you. There we go, guys. My quick look at the Bushcraft Guide to Trapping, Gathering, and Cooking. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending some time with us.